Hi guys, I'm Madeline from Lakeside Table, and I am really excited to share with you a hidden gem here in Effingham, Illinois. It is Heartland Health Food Store, and it's located literally like right on the intersection of the Interstate 5770. And it's owned by a wonderful woman. Her name is Prima, and she is a Midwest transplant from Southern California. So let's go inside and see if she'll show us around and maybe teach us how to make one of her amazing acai bowls. Okay, come on. Thank you so much for having us out here. I am just incredibly stoked and excited that you wanted to do this. And the first thing that I fell in love with in your health food store were your smoothies.
Yes, so I do remember you.
Yeah.
Yes, from the early days.
Yeah.
2019.
Yeah, that's when you opened.
I did, 2019. Yeah. Well, we opened and we had the juice bar in place, but we didn't actually open. We kind of got our legs underneath us first, and then I think about 4 months later, we started doing one smoothie, one juice, and then we kind of rolled them out like 30 days apart until we got, kind of a menu of 5 or 6 juices.
So how many juices and how many smoothies do you have now?
Most days we have 2. On a lucky day, you might have 3 smoothie of the days, and we kind of make them in a larger batch, and then until they sell out, then we make another one, and we get to pull from the ingredients of the store.
Nice.
Yeah, so
nice.
We get to have fun with all the spices and all the herbs. I mean, we make like lavender blueberry smoothies and crazy stuff. So.
Oh, what fun.
Yeah, so
what
we
fun.
use, yeah.
And everything's on hand, so everything's super fresh.
Yeah, and we just make it up. It's just like, we've got, say we've got goat milk in the house, so we'll use that to make a smoothie.
Oh, cool. So you kind of do like your own mad scientist chemistry.
We just play.
Yeah, that's
we get
so
to have
cool.
so much fun, and we try things on people. We put vinegar in smoothies and all kinds of crazy stuff.
And you have so many wonderful health foods and tonics and elixirs and powders and potions.
And
so
oils.
Cool. That you get to play with.
Yeah.
You've been helping me out as we've been chatting about this.
Okay, I'm gonna
see if I get it right.
Try it.
Acai?
That was very good.
Oh, I got it. Okay,
good.
so you started doing acai bowls.
Yes. Yeah, we started that this year, 2023.
That is, actually it was my second I've ever had in my life. The second one I've ever had was here a couple days ago.
Uh-huh.
It was amazing.
It is.
It was kind of like the frozen acai base, and then the fruit, and then I love that topping drizzle
that
you
secret
did.
sauce. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That was really good. I mean, I got goosebumps just thinking about eating it again. I mean, that's why I'm so excited about what we're doing today.
What we're doing. Yeah, it's yummy. And that sauce. Yeah.
And you're gonna teach us how to do one?
I'll teach you how to do everything except the sauce.
Okay.
That sauce is secret. There's secrets in there.
And so the one that we're doing today is got pumpkin.
We're making a pumpkin pie acai bowl.
Awesome.
Pumpkin
Awesome.
pie.
I'm very excited about that.
Yeah, so it's creamy and rich and delicious and good for you.
So before we jump into that, tell me just a little bit more about all your unique products that you have here, because there are some things here that, I mean, like in particular, your kimchi. You do that in-house,
We do that here. We make that here. Yeah, that was a gift.
It's really cool.
Yeah, so we actually had a local person who worked for many years with a lot of Korean ladies and learned how to make kimchi. Yeah,
nice.
A really nice recipe. So we continued it. We worked with him for about a year, and then we tweaked it a little bit. We've actually gotten a wholesale certified, and so we can sell it nationwide.
Hey, that's awesome. Yeah. That's very cool.
Yeah, so we sell a lot of it. We sell it to some restaurants and vendors, food truck vendors, and things like that buy our kimchi.
Prima,
Yeah.
I love your logo. It's beautiful. I love the house. I don't know.
It's really.
I love it.
Yeah.
How'd you come up with that?
Well, It was sort of, I have an amazing graphics person. Shout out to Yvonne Hill Designs. She is in Washington State, and she's been doing my logos forever and ever. And we just sort of worked together, with idea of the power that I wanted to be behind, or the power that is behind this store. It's God's power. And in the Bible, it talks about God in several instances as being coming down to earth as a whirlwind, and the power and plant-based. So all the vegetables and all of that thing sort of just made sense. Like this is the power of a ministry, God's power to impart health and wellness and well-being and stability for me, my community, my family.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love it, and you really get that feeling of it. I mean, it's subtle, but it's very powerful and it's beautiful.
I think it's a nice logo.
It is. It's
Yeah.
awesome. It's
And then
great.
it gives us a chance to use all those colors.
Yeah.
The
You got
colors
it.
of the
Yeah,
the
cook by
food.
color, live by color,
Yes,
dress in
eat
color.
the
I
rainbow,
love
all
it.
that stuff.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Do you want to?
Yeah, we can jump into it.
Let's jump into it. All right, so we're going to make the acai bowl,
Uh-huh.
and it's a pumpkin spice.
Yes.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. All right.
And these are the ingredients for the base. And these are the ingredients for the topping. So where do we start?
So we want to get our base going. So we'd start with frozen banana, because that's going to give you your volume. We're going to, of course, use pumpkin.
Yum.
We're going to put that in there. All of that in there. Yep. And then we got a little banana that still needs to go in there. Not lots of banana. All right, we're going to use like an unflavored or vanilla protein powder.
Nice.
Yep. And then spices. So we've got allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, and I think that's it.
Is it?
Yeah, clove.
Do a clove. Let
Clove.
the camera see how pretty it is.
Yeah, so clove, that's the secret ingredient.
Cinnamon, clove, and
Allspice, yes, and nutmeg. Okay, so we're just going to dump that in there. Yep.
I can smell it from here.
Yeah, yum, yum.
So good.
All right, and then we're going to use coconut cream. You can use almond milk. You
Okay.
can use, whatever, oat milk,
Cashew
whatever. Yeah, cashew,
milk,
whatever.
whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to pour in this coconut cream.
Oh, yum.
That's going to make it nice and creamy, obviously.
Feels like fall already. It's
Yeah.
like,
Yeah. All right, so this one, we're actually going to, I like to add my nut butters as they're blending,
okay.
the blender is blending, because otherwise they kind of stick to the side and they're kind of hard on blenders.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And of course, acai berries, loaded with antioxidants, superfruit, good for you, good to you.
Yum.
A little tart, but we'll fix that. And then we're going to put some honey.
Oh, fabulous.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Excellent.
All right.
And do you recommend like doing local honey?
Yeah, we have local honey. We use a couple local honeys.
That helps with allergies too.
Yeah,
for sure.
It does. So I'm just going to be generous, because life is short and it needs to be sweet.
So you're measuring with love.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to put the blender top on and we're going to go for it.
Excellent.
And we're going to add the cashew butter now that we've got that going.
That's good.
And this is also going to make it very creamy and delicious.
I want to get my face in there like right now.
Yeah.
I see what you mean about how it's hard on your blender.
Yeah. And then we're going to turn it up a little bit.
Okay. Oh my gosh, look how rich.
Mm-hmm. Creamy and delicious. And we're going to top this with some yummy stuff.
And this is what, an 8-ounce?
These are actually 12 ounces. So we're going to pour about 9-10 ounces of base in there. And then we'll top it
Oh my God, I can really smell those pumpkin spices.
I know, it smells so good.
Oh my gosh, that's what I love about your acai bowls is that they just are like brimming with goodness. I mean,
Yes.
they're just like,
Yeah, we use lots of fresh fruit, lots of, nice nuts, seeds, hemp seeds, all kinds of stuff.
awesome. That's
Yep.
cool. Okay, so this needs to be frozen.
Typically, yeah, we would have used frozen ingredients, then we wouldn't have to worry about, get rid of that. Yeah, we wouldn't have to worry about waiting to
Okay.
eat, but since we used fresh ingredients, yeah, we would want to freeze this for a little while.
All right, so let's go get our frozen ones.
Okay. All right, we start with a little peanut sauce right on top of our base because everybody always wants more peanut sauce, so that's a way to get it to them without ending up on the floor. So we just put the granola. I like to cover the whole thing with granola. Actually, we're just going to do it like that. We're going to go so we don't so messy. I cover the whole bowl with like I said, granola, and then I take my banana and sort of leave it in its husk, and I just do a quick little slice because I like more of a bite size. I'm not, guys might like big chunks, but us ladies like smaller bite size. So I like to cut my banana in half. All right, and then we're gonna do some pomegranate seeds.
That's gorgeous.
Isn't that nice?
It's really
it just
pretty.
screams fall.
Yeah.
We're gonna
And
do
it's a jewel.
yeah. We're gonna do some cacao nibs. Nice little like cocoa coffee kind of a flavor.
I love the texture of those too.
Yep. And then we're gonna finally do some coconut.
It's that banana coconut we were talking about.
Yeah. So yeah,
Very nice.
there it is. And then we're gonna finish it with a drizzle of peanut sauce right on top.
Oh my God, that looks so good, Prima.
And there you have it.
Yum.
Yeah, break her up.
Yeah, try and get
Break her
like
loose.
the perfect bite of like you get the banana and the coconut and the pomegranate and the cocoa nibs and then that amazing base. Oh my God. Oh, it's like pumpkin pie ice cream bowl. It's like so good.
It's very good.
Without any cream and I mean it's just,
I'm happy with this.
I love this.
Yeah.
It's, I mean you can really get the berry and the pumpkin.
Yeah. I think it's a nice play on some favorites.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
and
everybody
the banana
loves their-
just kind of like seals the deal.
Banana's good on everything, man.
It's like the, I don't know.
It's glue.
It is. It is.
It's happy glue.
It's a diplomat, you know. It makes everybody happy.
A diplomat. I like that. It's Secretary of State.
That's right.
Of the
That's
juice
right.
bar.
Absolutely. So thank you so much for sharing your recipe with us, and
You're welcome.
I'm so excited to like not just have this recipe, but be able to eat this right now.
Yeah, I don't know. I might have to introduce it in September instead of October.
Absolutely. That would be so good.
Yep.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us. And we'll see you soon. So definitely come out and check out Heartland. And then we will see you in Effingham, Illinois. Bye,
Yep.
guys.
Bye.
Thanks, Prima.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming. I appreciate it. This was fun.
This is a lot of fun.
Yeah.